Laptops are really great on-the-go productivity devices, especially because of their ultimate portability and flexibility. But if you ever thought about increasing your productivity, then at some point, you might want to consider adding some additional accessories for your laptop. And to help you find the right one, here are our top 7 picks for the coolest laptop accessories.
Welcome to Techfluencer, where we test and review countless tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our tech expert team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends and advancements. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description.
Running low on storage while on the go? Then check out this super portable flash drive from Vancini. This fun-sized flash drive has a sturdy metal enclosure that keeps it safe from accidental drops. On top of that, this flash drive is built with UDP technology, which makes it water and dust resistant. It even has a keychain hole that you can use to mount this drive on a key ring. For transfer, it uses a USB 3.0 interface with a write rate of up to 15 megabytes per second and a read rate of up to 60 megabytes per second. Data corruption is less likely to occur, so you won't be losing your precious data whatsoever. As for its internal capacity, it comes in 16 to up to 256 gigabytes, so you can go for the one you prefer. And lastly, the flash drive is compatible with a wide range of devices that includes laptops, tablets, and MacBooks. So no matter which system you are on, you are good to go. So hurry up and grab one ASAP for an easier portable storage solution. Have you ever thought about getting an external monitor that won't take up too much space on your desk? Then check out the Offiya P2 Pro portable monitor. This monitor has 2 external screens, which is compatible with most Windows and Apple laptops. Each screen has a 13.3-inch IPS display with 1920 by 1080p resolution. These screens are very flexible and can be rotated around 207-degree angles, allowing you to work more efficiently. It also provides a telescope stand for structural support of the entire thing. And lastly, it comes with USB-C to C cable and USB-C to A cable for connectivity. So if you ever need multiple monitors while on the go, we highly recommend the Offiya P2 Pro. Does your neck hurt staring down at your laptop while working? Then we might have just found the perfect laptop stand for you. Check out the X-Kit laptop stand from Ugreen. It is one of the best portable and compact size laptop stands that we have seen around. Just stretch it open and choose any of the 4 suitable angles to your comfort level. What is even more impressive is that it comes with a built-in 5-in-1 USB-C hub with all the necessary ports, including 4K HDMI, SD, and TF card reader as well. So from now on, work with comfort and keep your neck protected as well. Coming up next, we have Nerve Laptop Sleeve. This protective sleeve will keep all your laptop accessories organized inside your backpack, including the laptop as well. It has plenty of different rooms to keep all your important accessories organized. From keyboard to headphones and up to 15.6-inch laptops will fit in just fine. If you are having a hard time finding the right accessory inside your messy backpack, you might want to add this protective sleeve to your list. Looking for an ultra-strong portable SSD for your laptop? Then check out the T7 SSD from Samsung. It comes with a tough, rugged shield design, providing ultimate durability, water, and dust protection within a single form. You might also find this SSD in 3 different colors: blue, black, and white to color code with your laptop. It comes with a capacity of up to 2 terabytes, which will be more than enough to store all of your data. Also, thanks to its 1000 megabytes per second sequential reading and writing speed, transferring data with this device can be really fast and less time-consuming. So if you ever thought about getting an SSD that will serve you well, then the T7 Shield is easily the best investment. If you ever thought that Razer only provides gaming accessories, then think again, because this mouse right here is specially designed for productive individuals. Thanks to its sleek and compact size, this mouse will blend in with your workspace seamlessly. The scroll wheel, on the other hand, comes with 3 different modes: tactile, free spin, and tilt-click mode for seamless navigation. And lastly, both LMB and RMB on this mouse make less noise while clicking, which is barely audible. So if you're looking for the best portable mouse to boost your productivity, then be sure to check the ProClick Mini. And finally, for your on-the-go battery life solution, check out the Baseus 100-watt power bank. It's 18mm slim, portable, and definitely a great-looking power bank with comfortable grip textures. As for its connectivity, it includes 2 USB-A ports and 2 Type-C ports, which will get the job done. Additionally, this 20,000 mAh battery can easily charge up to 4 devices, including 1 laptop and a tab at the same time. On top of that, it has a built-in LED display, which indicates battery status, time, and voltage as well. So if you're looking for an on-the-go charging solution, then this power bank is really a great option for you. So that was all about our top picks for the 7 coolest laptop accessories to improve your user experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.